Hello students, today I am going to explain about the capitalization method. So in this question you will get the calculation of goodwill under the capitalization of average profit method. So let me explain the question first, then I will solve it. Here it is written, Puneet and Torun are partners in a firm having capital balance in their account. It is written fixed capital means 2,50,000 each. So Puneet and Torun each 50,000, 2,50,000. So it will be 5 lakh. They are fixed capital. They have credit balance in their current account of rupees 30,000 and 20,000. Current account balance means that is also part of their capital. Clear? The firm does not have any liability. Firm does not have any liability. There is no liability of the firm. They are regularly earning profits, and their average profit of last 5 years is 1 lakh. Clear? Here it is given, if the normal rate of return is 10%, find the value of goodwill by capitalization of average profit method. For the calculation of goodwill under the capitalization of average profit method, first of all, that means we will calculate the capitalized value of the business. Clear? So first we will calculate the capitalized value of the business. Capitalized value of business. Capitalized value of business. Formula you will write first, equal to average profit into average profit into 100 by normal rate of return. Normal rate of return. This is the formula, capitalized value of business. Clear? So average profit here it is given 1 lakh. So we'll write 1 lakh into 100 by normal rate of return, here it is given 10%. So it will be how much? Capitalized value of business 10 lakh. Step in the last video I will explain you what are the steps for the calculation of goodwill under the capitalization of average profit method. This is the first step to find the capitalized value of the business. Second, we have to find the net assets. Net assets. Net assets means here it is given, that means their capital and current account, that will be the net assets or capital. Clear? Capital employed. Net assets. It will be how much? 2,50,000 each. So their capital will be 5 lakh plus their current account balance. Current account balance 30,000 plus 20,000, it will be 50,000. So net asset it is given how much? 5,50,000. Clear? Then we will calculate the value of goodwill. After getting the value of capitalized value of business and net assets, we will calculate the value of goodwill. Goodwill equal to, first we will write the formula, capitalized value of business. Capitalized value of business minus net assets. Minus net assets. Clear? So what is the capitalized value of business? Rupees 10 lakh. Minus net asset is given how much? 5,50,000. So goodwill of the firm is how much? 4,50,000. Clear? This is the answer. So for the calculation of goodwill under the capitalization method of average profit method, you will write it. First you will calculate, first step you have to calculate the capitalized value of the business. How will calculate it? Formula, average profit into 100 by normal rate of return. Then you will calculate the net assets. Net asset formula actually total assets minus liability. But here it is given no liabilities. And you know total asset equal to total liabilities. Clear? So both sides it will be equal. So that means their capital and current account balance, it will be their net assets. It will be 5,50,000. So goodwill equal to, we'll write capitalized value of business minus net assets. Capitalized value of business we have already found out. How much? 10 lakh minus 5 lakh 50. So it will be 4 lakh 50. Clear? So one question more. That means about the calculation of goodwill under the average profit. Capitalization of average profit method. Here it is written. From the following particulars, calculate value of goodwill of the firm by capitalization of average profit method. First, what are the information it is given? Profit of the last 5 years it is given. Clear? 2023 it is given 54,000, 22 42,000, 21 39,000, 20 it is given 67,000, and 19 here it is given 59,000. Normal rate of return here it is given 20%, and net asset of the firm is given 2 lakh. This is the information. So we have to follow the step. First of all, we have to calculate the average profit, because average profit it is not given. So first step we have to calculate the average profit. Average profit. Average profit. So you have to add it 54,000 plus 42,000 plus 39,000 plus 67,000 plus 59,000 divided by number of years. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be divided by 5. Clear? So you have to add it. What will be the value of total profit first? 4 plus 2, 6, 15, 22, 31, 3, 2,61,000 divided by 5. Clear? Let me calculate again. 6, 15, 22, 31. That is 2,61,000. So it will be divided by 5. It will be how much? 5 divide 5, 25, 5, 52,200. Clear? Then we will calculate capitalized value of business. Capitalized value of business. Capitalized value of, these are the steps. First, you will calculate the average profit if it is not given in the question. So in this question it is not given. So first I calculated average profit. Then we will find out the capitalized value of business. Clear? Capitalized value of business. I will calculate average profit into average profit 100 by normal rate of return. Normal rate of return. Formula I will remember. So average profit we calculated how much? 52,200 into 100 by normal rate of return. Here it is given 20. So it will be 5. So I will multiply it. $2,61,000. Clear? So now we will calculate the value of goodwill. So goodwill equal to, these are the steps. First step, average profit, then capitalized value of the business, and net asset already here it is, that means mention, so no need to calculate it. Simply we will write the formula. Goodwill equal to, write capitalized value of business. Capitalized value of business. Capitalized value of business minus net assets. So capitalized value of business We have already calculated 2,61,000. 2,61,000. Net asset value it is given in the question. It is 2 lakh. So the goodwill value it will be 61,000. Clear? You will remember the formula, or if you remember the step, that means it will be very easy for you. And next another questions also that is related to average profit method, means capitalization of average profit method. So here that means read the question first. A firm earns profit of rupees 5 lakh. Normal rate of return in a similar type of business is 10%. The value of total assets excluding goodwill. If excluding goodwill means if there will be existing goodwill, and the total outsider liabilities, here it is given 55 lakhs and 14 lakhs. So total asset is 55 lakh and total outside liability is 14 lakhs. Calculate the value of goodwill according to the capitalization of average profit method. So the first step we have to calculate the average profit, but here it is given, so no need to calculate the average profit. So whenever we will get the that means average profit, then second step is we have to find out the capitalized value of business. So capitalized value of business. First in this question we will calculate capitalized value of business. Capitalized value of business. Capitalized value of business you will write. Average profit you will write. Average profit into 100 by normal rate of return. 100 by normal rate of return. Average profit how much? That means here it is given 5 lakh. So normal rate of return it is given 100% by normal rate of return it is given 10%. Sorry, it is given 10%. So 100 by 10 you will write. So it will be how much? 50 lakhs. So capitalized value of business is 50 lakhs. Clear? Then second step we have to find the net assets. Net assets. Net assets means total assets minus outside liabilities. Total assets minus outside liabilities. Clear? Outside liability. First you write the formula. Total assets here it is given 55 lakhs. And outside here it is given 14 lakhs. So it will be how much? 41 lakhs. That is net assets. So we got the two value, capitalized value of the business also and net asset also. So goodwill equal to capitalized value of business minus net assets. Capitalized value of business minus net assets. So capitalized value of business it is given how much? 50 lakhs. And net assets it is, we have calculated it just now, that is 41 lakh. So goodwill will be 9 lakh. Clear? And one question more. Here it is given. On 1st April 2018, a firm had assets of rupees 1 lakh excluding stock of rupees 20,000, means excluding stock. It is stock is not included here. Current liability we are 10,000, and the balance constituted firm's capital account. If normal rate of return is 8%, and here it is given the goodwill of the firm is valued at 4 years purchase of super profit is 60,000. Here it is given. Goodwill value already given. Find the average profit of the firm. So you have to find out the average profit. So actually that means here goodwill it is given. So we will goodwill before, that means put the formula of goodwill. Let me calculate first. Here it is that here net assets or capital employed, we can find out it. Net assets. Net assets. Assets. How much? You see now. Assets here it is given 1 lakh excluding, that means stock. So stock will also be included. To asset will be 1 lakh plus 20,000. Minus outside liability or current liability, what we can say, that is 10,000. So 1,20,000 minus 10,000. It will be 1,10,000. This is the net assets. Clear? So here you see now, here it is given. Excluding stock means stock is not included. So we have to include that. To find the total asset, we have to include the stock also. Then total assets minus, that means current liabilities. Clear? Or capital employed we can say. That means here you see now, then here it is given. Goodwill value is given. Goodwill equal to, here it is given 4 years purchase of super profit. So super profit into number of purchase year. Number of purchase. This is the formula. On that basis it is given. Number of purchase year. So goodwill value here it is given 60,000. So super profit into number of purchase here it is given 4. So it will be 15,000. So 4 it will be divided. So super profit will be 15,000. After getting the value of super profit, now we will put the formula of super profit. Super profit. Formula average profit minus normal profit. Average profit minus normal profit. Clear? This also you can write it capital employed. Capital employed. Clear? Super profit we will write it 15,000. Average profit we have to calculate it. So simply write average profit. Normal profit means capital employed. This is capital employed also. 1,10,000 into normal rate of return, here it is given how much? Normal rate of return, here it is given 8%. So 8 by 100. So 15,000. Then here we write average profit minus, it will be how much? 8,800. Clear? So 8,800 it is minus, so it will be plus this side. So 15,000 plus 8,800 equal to average profit. Simply change the side. Average profit. So it will be 23,800. Average profit. Clear? So let me explain this question again. And here it is given to, that means assets excluding stock. So you have to include the stock and liabilities. Asset minus liability equal to capital. That you can write the capital employed also. You can write it capital employed also. Capital employed. Clear? This is also capital employed. Then now 1,20,000 minus 10,000 to 1,10,000. Then goodwill value here it is given. Goodwill equal to super profit into number of purchase year. So goodwill, in the place of goodwill you write 60,000. Super profit into number of purchase year it is given 4. So that means it is into, so it will be divided. So 15,000 is the super profit. After getting the value of super profit, what you will do? You will, that means simply you will write the formula. Average profit minus normal profit. In the place of super profit you write 15,000. Average profit, it is not known, so simply it will be written average profit. Normal profit, that is capital employed into normal rate of return by 100. Capital normal rate of return here it is given 8%, so it will be 100. So it will be 8,800. So here it is minus, so it will be plus this side. So the average profit is 23,800. In the next video, I will explain the calculation of goodwill under capitalization method for super profit.